Every year, thousands of aspirants appear for IPMAT. But let me tell you a hard truth, over 99% of them fail. Not because they're not intelligent or smart, but because they make a few glaring mistakes that cost their entire college procedure, entire exam. And if you can avoid even a handful of those, your scores and your chances to get selected will shoot up drastically. Hi everyone, my name is Rudraksh, and before this video starts, I want to communicate a very important thing with you. चाहे तुम्हारा एग्जाम नेक्स्ट मंथ हो या नेक्स्ट ईयर हो, you guys have to understand that this is not your regular board exam. IPMAT is a game of preparation, perseverance and dedication along with heavy logic. And अगर तुम इसे lightly ले रहे हो, then you're digging your own grave. Many students, many aspirants every year either underestimate it or they don't evolve to the competition and they, drown in this sea of madness. So let me tell you 5 mistakes that cost every year hundreds and thousands of students their exam. And if you could improve even on few of these, you are in an entire different league. Chalo, without any bullshit, without any wasting your time and without any other things, let's get started. IPMAT is not just aptitude, it's speed based logic under pressure. बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि एप्टीट्यूड तो हो जाएगा, स्कूल में भी किया है, ओलंपियाड में भी किया है, क्विजेस होते थे हमारे स्कूल में तो उसमें तो किया ही है, सेम ही तो है, हो जाएगा. You have to understand the IPMAT का aptitude, it's not just about aptitude, it's about solving logic heavy questions in under 1 minute. And if you don't train your brain for that, you're out of the competition straight away. So don't underestimate the difficulty level of this exam, especially the exam of IPMAT Indore. हर साल बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा lightly ले लेते हैं इस एग्जाम को and they flunk it by a margin. So don't make that mistake and don't underestimate this exam. Many aspirants feel that they have prepared for this exam just because they have watched a video on it, a lecture on that topic. Guys, understand, watching a video is not equals to you mastering that topic. Solving one RC is not equals to acing verbal ability section. अगर तुम सिर्फ वीडियो देख रहे हो and you're saying that oh I am very prepared for this, you're just in a false delusion कि तुम्हें वो टॉपिक आता है. But in reality, in actual scenario, when I'll give you that exact same question with just changed values, तुम फंस जाओगे उसमें. ठीक है? So don't equate you watching videos with you preparing. Many students every year say after failing this exam that भैया मैंने सारे वीडियोस मैंने 7-7 8-8 घंटे के टाइम एंड वर्क टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस के लेक्चर्स देखे थे, बट मेरे जब एग्जाम में टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस का क्वेश्चन आया बना ही नहीं, बहुत डिफिकल्ट आता है पेपर. अरे इट्स नॉट अबाउट यू वर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व, इट्स बिकॉज यू जस्ट वॉच द लेक्चर एंड गिव द एग्जाम डायरेक्टली. तुमने उसकी प्रैक्टिस कहाँ की? यू हैव नेवर अप्लाइड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट. The exam is not about how many hours students have watched the lectures. It's about who is better at application, who can apply the concept really well into the exam scenario. It's all about execution. So don't overestimate your preparation. या तो पिछले पॉइंट की तरह either students underestimate this exam or this point की तरह overestimate their preparation. Don't overestimate your preparation. Always keep yourself humble. Say that you have always under prepared, but always do as much as possible, leave no stone unturned. Many of you who are watching this video will appear for IPMAT in 2026 and बहुत ज्यादा confusion रहता है कि ये video lectures कहाँ से मिलेंगे, कौन सी coaching join करनी चाहिए, कौन सी नहीं करनी चाहिए. Let me tell you, PW has been in this IPMAT space since 2023 and उसी की वजह से I would definitely recommend you to at least give them a shot. In the IPMAT Master Quest 2026 batch, you'll get live lectures with experienced faculty, DPPs with video solutions, question banks, weekly practice tests, 15 plus mock tests, and 24/7 doubt support. And if you're looking for something better than this, then you can go for IPMAT Pro 2026 batch. This includes everything that you will get in Master Quest batch, along with 30 plus mock tests and access to all the batches that will be launched this year and were launched in previous year. In my opinion, I would recommend you to go with Hypermat Pro 2026 batch because it gives you so much flexibility and value at a low cost. So definitely check them out. I have given the link in description, and if you use my code RPS500 you'll get an additional discount. चलो अब चलते हैं वापस वीडियो में. Okay, I'll give you one formula. Strong quants plus weak verbal is failing this exam. Yes, this is true. हर बच्चे को लगता है कि ये तो हो ही जाएगी, स्कूल में भी तो क्लास 12th में भी तो आरसी सॉल्व किए. अरे भैया समझो एक चीज, the RCs that you're solving in your CBSE exams are very easy. These are IPMAT level RCs which are very logic dense and vocabulary heavy and बहुत ही abstract ideas पे होते हैं. Even toppers of your class जिनको तुम consider करते हो कि इनकी English बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है ना, they'll also suffer in this section. So make sure you're not taking it lightly. हर साल एवरी ईयर तुम किसी एग्जाम सेंटर के बाहर खड़े हो जाना, तुम्हें दिखेगा कि बच्चे एग्जाम सेंटर से बाहर आ रहे हैं एंड उनमें से कई सारे उदास से रो रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज उनका वीए सेक्शन खराब हो गया. अगर उन्हें वहां नहीं रियलाइज होता है तो जब उनके रिजल्ट आते हैं उनको दिखता है कि यार उनका वीए कट ऑफ ही नहीं मीट हो रहा है. क्वांट्स में बहुत ऊपर है बट वीए उनका कट ऑफ नहीं मीट हुआ एंड दे आर नॉट इवन इनवाइटेड फॉर इंटरव्यूज. सो डोंट मेक दिस मिस्टेक ऑफ इग्नोरिंग वर्बल एबिलिटी सेक्शन. वर्बल एबिलिटी का कट ऑफ सबसे ज्यादा जाता है and it deserves the respect that we give to quants, we give to other topics. So prepare verbal ability very diligently. Mocks aren't optional, they are the actual exam, but just before your actual exam. I've seen students who have been preparing for this exam for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, even 1 year, and they never gave any mock. They'll give only one mock, that too in May, 10 दिन पहले exams हैं, and at that point the boat has already sailed. There's no use. अब कुछ improve नहीं हो सकता. You have to understand the logic behind giving mocks. Mocks prepare you for the actual exam. It highlights or reveals any silly mistake that you're making, any shortcomings that you have in your preparation, any weak topics, any time management issues, and it helps you track your progress, and that will eventually lead you to making not silly mistakes in the actual exam. And if you're not giving mocks, then you're missing out a huge thing. And बिना mock के, I believe it is very difficult to crack this exam. अब कौन सा mock लेना चाहिए? I usually recommend 2-3 different mock providers. One of them is Afterboards. And for the past 15 to 20 days, I have been working with Afterboards to create a video on how you can maximize Afterboards के features to increase your marks by almost 1.5 to 2 times. If you're scoring 100, you can easily shoot up to 200 marks in your IPMAT Indore. And do let me know. I'll drop that video as soon as this video gets 200 likes. So like this video, and I keep my promises. So make sure you're liking this video. If you guys don't know, there is a curve called forgetting curve. According to that curve, if you're not revising what you have learned, you're basically losing all your progress over a span of time. And this is what actually happens. सच बताना, तुम आज से 3-4 महीने पहले तुमने ज्योमेट्री रिवाइज की, ज्योमेट्री खत्म की एंड अभी तक उसका रिवीजन नहीं किया. इट्स ऑलरेडी 2-3 months now and you have lost all progress. Basically, this is what happens if you don't revise. You lose touch with topics that you have mastered once, कि तुम्हें उसमें इतना confidence था कि तुम कर लोगे, and आज उस topic के questions, basic level questions भी बनने में तुम अटक रहे हो. So please ensure that you're revising. Last year I made a revision strategy and उस वीडियो के comments में जाके देख लेना कितने सारे positive response है कि this revision strategy helped them revise a lot more than what they would actually revise. This year again I'm making a 20 days super revision strategy. So उसके लिए क्या करना है, वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, कमेंट में बस लिख देना रिविजन. I'll know that तुम लोगों को रिविजन वाली वीडियो चाहिए and I'll make that video. ठीक है, so like this video and write in comments. But all in all I want to say कि let's assume कि अगर तुम्हारे एग्जाम में 30,000 applicants हैं, उनमें से 29,900 एस्पिरेंट्स अपना सिलेबस खत्म करके आ रहे होंगे. भले वो पेपर से एक दिन पहले फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज कर रहे हो पलट पलट के पढ़ने, बट उन्होंने टेक्निकली अपना सिलेबस खत्म कर लिया है. It's not about how you study but how much you revise. Basically मैं तुमसे एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात कह रहा हूं, प्लीज डाइजेस्ट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से। वो सेलेक्ट नहीं होते जिन्होंने अपना सिलेबस खत्म किया होता है, बल्कि सिलेक्ट वो होते हैं जिन्होंने अपने रिवीजन किए होते हैं। It has been shown in various studies that people who revise more have higher chances of solving, more number of questions on the exam day than their counterparts who haven't revised. And obviously this number improves with the number of revisions. तो एक रिवीजन करो, दो रिवीजन करो, अगर कर सकते हो, टाइम अलाउ कर रहा है तो तीसरा रिवीजन भी करो, बट करो। And make sure you're watching the revision video that I'm going to put it on channel. And yeah, with that being said, प्लीज लग जाओ, ये मिस्टेक्स मत करो। अगर इनमें से कोई भी मिस्टेक्स तुम कर रहे थे तो उसको अब कंप्लीटली बंद कर दो। यू विल सी एन इमीडिएट इंप्रूवमेंट इन योर स्कोर्स, इन योर ओवरऑल प्रोडक्टिविटी, एंड दैट विल मेक योर पाथ टू IIMs अ लॉट इजियर। चलो, ऑन दैट नोट लेट्स एंड दिस वीडियो। सी या, बाय बाय, हैव अ वेरी गुड डे।